We're here today to kick off the groundbreaking ceremony for Norton. We've just announced that we're investing $250 million into expanding the Norton site. This is so exciting. We're going to be bringing game-changing technology to allow us to take our medicines to millions of patients around the world.
This project represents everything that makes us so proud and so committed here in Massachusetts to being the global hub for life sciences. Here in Norton, Alnylam, a $250 million investment. That's huge. And I think what's also important, not only is a place where Massachusetts is making the discoveries, innovating, doing the research, but also the manufacturing is what we're here to celebrate today. And finally, and importantly, at the end of the day, what Alnylam is doing is saving lives.
We've come here to celebrate a transformation of this site that will empower us to produce medicines for millions of people around the world facing chronic, debilitating, and threatening diseases. And we're planning for decades ahead.